All right, I completely redid some other stuff. I pulled all this crap out of the corner. Oh my god. It's been a music day, I guess. This thing here, it sounded okay, but look at that. I think I chewed that thing up just doing that. Um, these are really weird legs. They're like offset. 6.1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yeah, 6.1. So this is 6.1. And this is the DB 1070. The DB 930 actually sounds better than this. I think a lot. But also the speakers that are being used in the house are a lot better. This thing here, I don't remember. It was kind of funky. Almost the average price on any of these from the thrift store is usually that price. I try and leave the labels on here so that I know what I paid.